Hello everyone, I hope you're doing very well. In here everything is going very well. We're very happy with the weather. Last week was about 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 millimeters of rain. And this week we're expecting about 57 Fahrenheit and 15 millimeters of rain. So it's really excellent for the plants. So today I'm going to talk about the review of March and the calendar for April. So in March it was the time for sowing cherry tomatoes, beef tomatoes, various tomatoes, basil, shallot, sunflowers, sweet corn, coriander, sugar peas, spinach, lupines, salicorn, flowers. And we did an exhibition with the drawings of the residents of the vegetable garden. And finally we crafted some structure made of bamboos. So all around, you can see it here, all around the rooftop you have like some bamboos that we're going to use to attach to stake the tomatoes, cucumber and sugar peas. So that was really fun, and I like the result. So now in the coming months, in April, it's going to be the festival of berry trees. So the blueberry trees and the cherry trees, etc., are going to give us like some really beautiful flowers. And we're going to sow some squash, some zucchinis, cucumber, coriander, basil, sweet corn, sugar peas, spinach, poppies and sunflowers. And we're going to plant sunflowers, coriander, mint, leeks, salicornia and artichokes. And we are also going to craft some scarecrows to prevent birds eating all of our fruit. And we're going to create some indoor gardens. So you can see here the sugar peas are already growing on this net that is attached to the bamboo structure. And to finish about the calendar for April, on April 7th it's going to be the World Health Day. So it's a good opportunity to remind that vegetable gardens are very good for your health, because first they're going to encourage you to eat more fruits and vegetables. Second, they're going to improve your microbiota and your immune system. And third, they are encouraging a regular physical activity, which is also very healthy. Food gardens can reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes and cardiovascular disease, which is very nice for something as simple as having a food garden. So that's all of my note for March and April. So we're hoping that this project will encourage as many people as possible to start food gardens for health and for the planet. So thank you very much for your help, and I'll see you soon.